Did you know you have less than a minute to get out of a battery-induced fire? Lithium-ion batteries are in nearly every device around you. Are you ready for the risk they bring? Lithium-ion batteries are in more than just your phones. They are in various different items such as toothbrushes, power tools, kids' toys, laptops, and electric vehicles. Unregulated e-bikes and scooters are among the biggest risks. The larger the battery, the more danger. As devices age or overheat, they can emit toxic fumes, catch fire, and even explode. Here is some good news. You can take proactive steps to prevent issues by using C.H.A.R.G.E and the right equipment from firealarm.com. C stands for Choose Certified Products. Make sure your battery and power devices have a UL mark from nationally recognized testing laboratories. Certified products are less likely to fail. H stands for Handle with Care. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for charging and use. Don't use chargers that are not provided by the manufacturer, and never charge devices in places where you could forget them. A stands for Always stay alert for signs of trouble. If a device starts hissing, smokes, or puffs up, evacuate immediately. Do not wait, get out fast. Remember, you have minutes. R stands for Recycling Properly. Never throw batteries in the trash or regular cycling bins. They must be recycled at special locations. Contact your local waste management to find out their locations. G stands for Get Out Quickly. Call 911, close the door behind you, and prevent the fire from spreading. Remember, seconds matter when it comes to fire safety. E stands for Educate Others. Share this information with your family, friends, and community. The more people understand the risk and proper protocols, the safer we will all be. Firealarm.com offers the right safety equipment to protect you in case of a battery fire. From smoke detectors to fire extinguishers, such as Badger 22435, Badger 20653, and Badger 466527, our products are designed to give you the peace of mind and help you stay prepared for the worst. Taking charge of your batteries with firealarm.com equipment isn't just a good idea, it's necessary. Be proactive, stay alert, and protect your environment. Visit firealarm.com for all your safety needs. Firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.